Welcome back, students. I hope till now you have completed your work. We have completed the second step, and now we will proceed towards the next step, which is third. What we have to do is just as you did with the pencil shading, you took a darker shade like 6B, or after 6B you have to take 12B, then a charcoal pencil. So in place of 12B we are taking burnt sienna. The number of the brush is 0, but according to your convenience you can take number 1, number 2 or number 4 also. So first we will do just repeating the same thing. I'm just outlining, taking a thick color in a brush like this, and what I have to do is just darken the space of roots. Like this you'll have to fill, not completely, but to show a darkened place you have to do this. This is the open one, that's why you will leave the end with the lightened color. Like this you have to do, then proceed to the work. Just a small rounded strokes from the beginning. The lines like this I've taught you in shading also, so this you have to just copy, but it will be with the color. This is how you will do it. I taught you earlier also. In the beginning, what you have to do is just make the structure or make the texture a little bit dense, and later on you will give a space to it. Like this you will create a texture. It will be better for you to take brush of 0 number. Otherwise, if you take much water in your brush of number 2 or number 4, it will not give you the same texture you are expecting. With 0, there will not be an excessive amount of water, so the texture will remain the same in each line. Later on you have to take only 0 for sub branches, so it's better you take from the beginning. There is no problem in it. Follow these steps like I'm using. If you're not comfortable doing it like this, you can make a dense line first, then the less dense step you can take. It will take time, that's why I'm doing it. You can do it according to your convenience. There is no problem in it. Don't exceed to the limit of second shading, which is ochre yellow. Otherwise there is no use of using ochre. And the detailing will be spoiled totally. Use only the tip of your brush, only then it will create a line of 0. The line of your color become broader as you put much force in your brush. It should be hold it with the light hand, and the tip of the brush should be used especially on sub branches. Like this you will give detailing to it. Leave where you find some difficulty to create the texture, because it will spoil the beauty of 3 colors. Remember this density on sub branches too. The line you create at the beginning should not be shown individually. It should be merged with your texture. Only then it will look better. This is how you have to repeat in each and every branch and sub branch. First, create a line, then give a texture on it like this. Don't need to exceed from the limit of ochre yellow, and take care of the density in your texture. By following these simple steps, you can complete the third step of your tree. This is how you will complete all the branches. What you have to do next is, with the use of the same brush, from the other side you will create an outline like this to make or to give a finishing touch to it. This you have to do just before the merging of this texture. Yes, you have to merge it later a little bit. As you did with your pencil shading. There is no need to make plus clearly because there is not enough space to make it more clear. So as you can see, I have done almost half of the step for you. This is how you will have to complete. Let's come to the ground, what you have to do in it. Just follow the lines. You have to leave somewhere like this. Don't need to create clear lines. Wherever you find the ground is going upward, you can leave like this. For this you can use a broad brush also, just for merging. Leave the upper part to show the light, and the rest you will create a shading. This is how you will complete your ground. What you have to do next is just a merging. keep your brush straight, and of course a little bit filled with water. Like this. That's how you will do the rest part. What you just have to do is just to complete the third step. I'll give you a small steps, that's why, because tree is very important and it's better you will learn it step by step. So just complete that part yourself. I hope you have understood with this tutorial. With the help of the instructions you will complete the rest and the lower part also. After that what you have to do is just to merge it carefully like this with the broad brush. Just a tapping, it should not be so much because some texture should be remain as it is, otherwise there is no use of creating the texture like this. So by doing this you will complete the third step, and after that I will give you the next step. See you in the next class.